Need a home in Bluewater Bay, right by the water. You can see the water from the backyard. This is across the street. The neighbor is directly on the water. You're right next door. There is 0 HOA. And in fact, you can go down to the marina. Wonderful complex here where there is golf courses, tennis courts, pools, a marina, everything you could want, plus the best schools in the area. My kids go there, so you know. Now this house has an offer on it, but it must have been low. So there's a counter offer that went out. It's in wonderful shape. I can't wait to show you my favorite room. You can see the water. It's right there. It's blue. I'll take you out to the yard. The floors are so pretty. That is the view from your kitchen window. I like that the cabinets go all the way up. LG, very nice. They have the hood I wanted. I like this glass one. I think new fridge. It is so hot. Ice is important. This is a huge space. Everybody ends up in your kitchen. This is your laundry room. Oh, that's so cool. Just a little half bath here. Love that. Ooh, inspection report. That's good. These are original windows. Y'all, definitely something you're gonna have to consider. The wall here is kind of, see that? Okay. So you definitely would have to do, so that door is done, but the windows, that is my first upgrade I would do to this home. Closet. Down your HVAC. That's in good shape there. Lots of closets. What's neat is this hallway is really nice and wide. I think about that a lot these days since I have a gimpy foot. Wheelchair days are coming for me. This bathroom has been done. I love their choice of tile work for in there. It's marble. Very nicely done renovation here. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. 4 bedrooms are hard to come by. And of course the master. My favorite room. Because you have your own porch. You can see the water from your bedroom. Okay. So then you've got a renovated bathroom as well. They did all the good upgrades. A very nice size space shower. You can actually fit a family in there. I like to do the car wash family showers and get them all done. Again, original windows. And this is a nice size closet. It's so cool that they did this kind of. Alright, then you get this. I can't help it. I'm an outdoorsy person. That is definitely rated for storms. They did good with these. This is, the deck is new. It's on a big lot too, so it's 0.6. Original windows. So the property actually goes, according to the Google Earth, this just goes back to nothing. So there is 0 neighbors at all behind you, which is how I like my houses. I don't like neighbors up on me. And of course the water is literally right there. You can see it from the balcony. Thanks for checking this one out with me. Be sure to like, subscribe, and give me a call. This one is begging for your family to call home.